The best prayer we can offer to Lord Narasimha is, please kill the Hiranyakashipu inside me.
Vajradakha Vajradamshtra Karmashaya Randhaya Randhaya Tamo Grasa Grasa Om Swaha Abhayam Abhayam Atmani Bhurishta
Shri Narasimha Jai Narasimha Jai Jai Narasimha Prahladesha Jaya Padma Mukha Padma Bringa